Here again is my Tayberry plant. Compared to the last video, there's a bit less of it because I've cut back most of last year's cane that fruited this year, and that's stood as a pile of bits down there. I've also got another gardening job to do shortly, where I will repot these two pelagoniums. They're in 2 litre plastic pots, and I'm going to upgrade them to the 2 pots on the ground there. So these bits of Tayberry, I was just going to cut them up and put them in compost, but it strikes me that I could also use them as anti-slug barriers. So once they've dried out and they're not going to take root, they could be used to keep slugs out of my plant pots, or at least attempt to